What's the meaning of courage? Courage. Courage.
Courage. Courage. Courage is the quality of being brave and fearless in the face of danger, pain or difficulty. It is the ability to stand up for what is right and to confront one's fears or limitations. Courage can manifest in various forms, such as moral courage, physical courage or intellectual courage. It often involves taking risks or making sacrifices for a greater cause or purpose. In short, courage is a vital human attribute that allows individuals to overcome challenges and adversities in pursuit of their goals and ideals.